Your hands, everybody!
Big Texas Breaks.
Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks!
May I have your attention, please?
ATB. ATB.
Good evening and welcome to tonight's festivities.
Live.
Live.
What you are about to witness is real.
This is not a dream. This is
Big Texas Breaks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time.
What's up, everybody? Big Texas Breaks here, doing number one Leaf division break of Leaf Best of. So if you bought divisions have already been established. No trades went down. We're gonna do one box out of here. So this is a sealed case. The divisions right here: NFC South Brian S, Justin R with AFC East, NFC West Johnny R, Bucky with NFC East, AFC West Eric S, Brandon B, NFC North, AFC South Tony T, Ross A with AFC North. Like they just ate. This is a sealed case, so we're expecting a big hit out of here. Which box is it going to be? I don't know. Four boxes, empty box. Did you get in on the Facebook group, Tacho? Did you get in on Facebook, bro? It's on Facebook, bro. Put it on go put it on Facebook, Tacho, if you got in. That way I know the heaviest one. So this is what I'm going to do. 1 through 4, I'm going to roll one dice. 1 through 4. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. We're going to go with number 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. That's what I said. Well, we'll see what happens, man. Alright, good luck, everyone. Let me put that this is number 1. I forgot about the stickers on the side. All right. Pretty cool stuff, man. Devontae Parker, Tyler Lockett. These are their base cards. So Seattle, that's going to be NFC West. Toothman, Johnny R. And then Devontae Parker. It's going to be Dolphins, AFC East, Justin R. All right, here we go. Here it is. It's a BVG 6. Fran Tarkenton, 1962 tops. Fran Tarkenton. That's going to be NFC North. Brandon B. Congrats, bro. Those are tough to grade, man. Tarkenton. Nice vintage action going there, man. No sticker out on that. Congrats, Brandon B.